Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. A beautiful day to you all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for staying logged to Wendy Style. In today's video I have this impeccable short hairstyles that are beautiful for beautiful women. If you really want to give yourself that big job, you are in the right place, because here in Wendy Styles, short hairstyles lives here, and we are here to bring short natural hairstyles for beautiful black women that are trending right now. And in this video today, I just want you guys to see this beautiful short hairstyle. Isn't this haircut looking so beautiful? For those women that don't want much hair on their head, that just want that simple sleek short hairstyle that is feminine, that kind of hairstyle, that is versatile, that kind of hairstyle that will make you look so matured and simple but yet classy. This haircut is one of that kind of hairstyle that will give you that look. If you really want to look so trending, you really want to look unique, you really want that kind of styles that will make you look bold, I would like you guys to please go for the short beautiful hairstyles on the screen, because the styles you can see are really popular and trending. And one thing with this style is that I would advise you guys to go for moisture, because moisture will be the key. You just need to often condition your hair with those natural products like the olive oil or the coconut oil to always maintain the sleek look you're seeing on the screen. So for those that love pattern, you can see this curve pattern is so beautiful, it's so lovely. If you don't want much hair on your hair, you just want that wash and go hairstyle so that you can just look beautiful and flaunt your natural beauty, I would like you guys to go for this inspiring beautiful short hairstyle on your screen. One thing with this style is that it's really a must try for anyone who really want to try their hair, with their natural hair. And this style really makes it look feminine. This kind of hairstyle is an embodiment of stylish and adaptable haircut for your short hair. One thing about the style too is that it's a kind of haircut that really fits the season we are in, and it's that kind of haircut that will really provide that elegant detail and depth to your whole appearance. I love this beautiful ombre color. I just love the simple pattern at the back. For those that don't want those pattern on the front, you can go for this beautiful pattern at the back, and it looks so classy. The color is beautiful and it will suit all skin type. So when you kind of make your hair and give it that kind of pattern, it will always make you look stylish. I also want you guys to see the end part of this hair, how this hair comes out looking so incredible. Isn't this hair so gorgeous? I just want you guys to see the end part of this video. You can tell me for real what you feel about this haircut. And one thing about the style I want you guys to see now is that this is the kind of hairstyle that will always complement your face shape. Whether you have the square shaped face, you have the oval face, or you have the round face, this hairstyle will really suit your personal preference, and it will really make you look beautiful. So one thing with short hairstyles for black women is that it's a hairstyle that you really need to stay hydrated, and you have to really moisturize for that healthier looking finish. I want you guys to also see the end of this video, like say this particular hairstyle, this tapered is really one of the tapered haircut I love, and this is the kind of style you all know I go for, because I just love the style. It's so classy, it's so beautiful, and it's a style that will suit all face shape. So one thing with this style is that always maintain the size being shorter and leaving hair on top and coiling it the way you want. You can go for any color of your choice if you want. You can go for your natural black. Maybe if your hair is done that black naturally, you can also go for some beautiful colors like the blonde or the platinum, depending on your style and the color you want. Okay, so these styles today are beautiful beautiful kind of hairstyle that will offer that low maintenance look, and it's a style that's stylish and it's practical for those always on the go. And one thing with this style is that it's perfect for those leading busy lives, like without much time or patience for daily styling. And this style you can see with the proper conditioning and a good coil defining product, you know, like the MIELLE kit, like the Cantu coils and coil defining cream, you can achieve those defined natural looks. And don't forget that those styles always work for all face shape, making it that easy go-to style for everyone. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate my returning subscribers, I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? It can never resist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much.